Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I am going to read it out for you. A lost girl. Mr. Aslam worked in a post office. He had a son named Zubair and a daughter named Rafia. He was transferred to another town. So he and his family moved to a new town. Zubair and Rafia liked the new town. After a few days, Rafia went out alone. She wanted to buy a pencil. She went to a shop and bought a pencil. On the way back, she lost her way. A girl saw her crying. She asked her why she was weeping. Rafia replied that she had lost her way to home. The girl asked her name and the mobile number of her father or mother. Rafia told the number of her mother. The girl contacted her mother and told her about Rafia. She asked their home address. She brought Rafia back to her home. Her mother and Zubair were very happy to see Rafia. They thanked the girl for helping Rafia.